This is a site that 90% of people haven't heard of. It's called Diode, WithDiode.com. Two things in one: a completely private team zone and a 3D electronics simulator in the browser. Everything is end-to-end encrypted. There are no servers that store your messages. You don't even have to sign in to try it out. You can add a motor, a 555 timer, push buttons, Arduino, sensors, LEDs, and much more. Everything works in the browser, without installation. If you're working with sensitive data or just want to test your circuit before you buy parts, Diode gives you both. The link is in the description. For more videos like this, subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you next time!